So we've worked with text formatting and number formatting, and now we're going to move on to date formatting. There are custom formats for dates as well. And we are going to be opening the work order table in Design View again. And we have several dates in here that we can work with. Or two dates. And we're going to start with work order dates. So we're going to activate that one. And we're going to come down into Format. And the D stands for day of the month. And if you want like the day of the week type thing abbreviated, you can do 3 Ds. If you want the full day of the week, you do 4 Ds. So a single D or 2 Ds is the day of the month. Single D is 1 digit, 2 Ds is 2 digits. If we display 3 or 4, we're getting the day of the week, either abbreviated or in full format. So like sun or Sunday. So we're going to do 3 Ds. So that's going to give us the abbreviated day of the week. And then we're going to do a comma. And then they would like us to display the month. And again, just like days, if you do 1M, you'll get a 1-digit month. If you do 2 M's, you get a 2-digit month. Meaning that, you know, if it's January, it's going to display as 01. Whereas if you do a single M, you just get the number 1. And a single M will still display December as a 12. Okay? The difference is that you don't get the zeros in front of the single digits. So we have M or 2 M's. That's going to give you digits. If you want text, you have 3 M's, which is going to give you the abbreviated month. Or you have 4 M's, which is going to give you the full month. So what they want is 3 M's. So we're going to get the abbreviated text version of the month. So we got 3 M's and a space. And now we're going back to days. And so we've already displayed the abbreviated version of the day of the week. Okay, so now we want digits. And we're going to do 2 Ds, which is always going to display 2 digits. So if it's the 5th day, it's going to do 05. And then we're going to do another space. Now we get into year. Year is a little simpler. You either do 2 Ys or 4 Ys. 2 Ys gives you the last 2 digits. 4 Ys gives you the full century year. So we're going to do 4 Ys. Okay, now for those of you who are into time, there are also codes for hours, minutes, and seconds. So hours is H. Okay, you either have 1 H or 2, depending on if you want, you know, the 0 in front of the hour or not. Seconds is pretty simple too. It's either 1 S or 2, depending on if you want the zeros. Minutes cannot be the letter M because we already are using M for month. So for minutes, you have to use the letter N. So a single N or 2 N's. So we've got our work order date formatted, and they would like us to be doing the same exact thing to service date. And after you do the format, we go into view. I mean, you can see that it is displaying differently now. So we'll go back over here, and I'm just simply going to copy this. I'm going to highlight it, Control C to copy. Come down here to service date, click in format, Control and the letter V as in Victor to paste. And I'm going to save, and I'm going to go over, and if I widen this up, I should now see that they are both formatted to display with the day of the week, the month, day, and year.